Hey, yeah, mga ka-arteproblems, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel and click the red bell button for more video updates. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here and you're here in my channel, Gracie Arte Problems. And it's been quite a long day since the last time I have uploaded a new video. I'm just being quite busy girl this time, at this moment. But today, we're gonna unbox something. And for the momshies out there that really needs a printer for your child, because uso ngayon ng online learning, tapos yung mga printouts kailangan, o kaya kung gusto nyo ng accessible printouts. So, I purchased a printer. It's not so updated, but it's nice because it's 3-in-1 printer. It has a print, scan, copy, and it's also wireless. So for me, it's kind of nice. And it is its brand is HP. So I find it nice and interesting. So let's check how it looks like. And my color will gonna give you this printer. It's still nicely sealed here in the box with this balloon something. How do you call this one? Putok balloon. Something like that. And still intact. So let me check how it looks like inside. While Kyla is getting the knife, the small knife. Okay, let's open it up.
Yay! Yay!
Actually, this one is for Kyla because she needs it badly when the school starts na. And so, mom, she's out there. You could print and teach your children back home ng mga things.
Yay!
And you need to
Let's open.
okay. Let's
Okay.
remove this bubble wrap. Bubble wrap rata. Yata ang tawag dito. We'll have to remove it.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Careful,
Yeah.
careful.
Yeah.
Wait. We have to remove it. Wait.
Again. Touchy.
Kunin mo.
I'm a big
Tadaan! HP. Ano ba ang model nito? Nakalagay dito ito. Tanan! It's aray ko. Affordable printing from your mobile device. And it's DESKJET 2620. Yan, wireless, print, scan, copy, instant ink. Let's check it inside. Ayan guys, nakalagay, do not accept if seal is broken. So we have to check it inside na. Okay, let's be careful while opening it.
Baka kasi masira yung printer. Yung print.
Yes, and Kyla will open it as soon as it's free to open. Excusez-moi. So, it's secure kasi ang dami niyang wrap, no? Let's check if Kyla can open it. Wait lang. Okay, wait. One moment.
Oh, one box.
Okay, Kyla will open it. Tanan! Tanan! Oy, may nakalagay. Let's read it first. Kindly hold it, please. Important reminder. Before turning on the printer, Please follow, read, and follow instructions accordingly. Okay? So, ito yung mga ink. Where's the black? And for the color. And what else inside the box, Kyla? So, let's remove this one.
Here.
We have
A
charger or cord. Okay. Set it aside. Okay. We have to remove it.
Oh no.
Let mommy handle it. Can you hold the cam?
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Where is it?
Show this one.
There. Careful.
Careful. You have to be careful.
Here. Yan ang ating... What is that, Mommy?
Let's see.
Okay.
Wait. Don't do it like that, guys. Oh, saan muna yun, ano? Show the...
Okay.
Show it. So, yeah, it's still nicely sealed.
Hindi nga bubuksan yan.
And these are inside. So, ito yung HP ink cartridge. So ito yung things na you need to check before opening it. And what is this? All-in-one series setup thing. What is this?
What is that?
Printing plan.
What is that?
And what is this?
Let's check.
So this is the one. And it's declaration of conformity and anything else. And this one is notice, something like that.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay. Ayan guys, ang ating printer. Free printing plan. Ano ako nakalagay pang ganyan. So, it's nicely sealed. Ayan ang brand niya sa mga ating momshies na gustong mag-buy song for the kiddos. So, let's open it.
Open it.
Wag ganyan, Kai. Kindly hold this one.
Okay.
Please.
And now, ating printer.
Yan. Yun ang itsura niya. So, yan. Yan. Tapos, ito yung
Ano yan?
lagayan ng
Print.
kailangan natin sasaksakan. So, yan guys. Kailangan ilagay nyo ng ink cartridge. Binuksan ko yung slot niya dito. So, ito yung mga ink na kailangan natin. At, eto. Okay guys, so ito yung ink kasama ng package. So, tricolor yan. Kailangan nyo lang i-remove this one. Remove this one. And do not touch this one. Yan, i-slide lang natin. Yan. So, dapat, huwag kayong magkabaliktad dito ang black and tricolor here. So, ito, mapapansin nyo yung mga buttons niya. Kakalagay lang natin ng ink. So, ito yun. Papansin nyo na puno pa rin siya. Ang number 1 is, this is the power. 2, ito yung control panel display. Nandiyan nakalagay yung wireless status, yung signal, ayun. Tapos, yung level ng ink, kung low or cartridge problem. Tapos, yung number 4, ito yung cancel or para i-stop yung current operation. Sa number 5 naman, I could say na resume this one. Resume. The light blinks when a job is interrupted by a problem. O kaya yung mga tinatawag natin paper jam, dyan, nagbe-blink siya yung color na yan. So, ito yung wireless capability on or off. So, it's blinking, so it's working. Tapos, yung information, makikita nyo dito. And this 7 or the color copy. Ito yung colored and black. So, this, meron din kayo makikita sa box na ganito. Kailangan nyo lang basahin for further information. So, I'm gonna teach you how to set it up in your iOS or Android phone. Just download the HP Smart app. Ayan, welcome to HP Smart. Just click the continue button. Then, ko-connect nyo lang siya sa Wi-Fi nyo. Then, ayan na siya. Magko-connecting na siya hanggang maging printer prepared. Tapos, IP connections. Press the continue button. And makikita nyo after that. Ayan, printer connected to Wi-Fi na. Then, after that, yon, just checking the printer status and click the continue button. Yan, ilo-load nyo lang yung paper. Kung A4, i-adjust nyo lang siya. Tapos, open the output tray. So, ganito yon. Yan.
Let's check.
Ayan, trinay ko mag-print ng tracing name. Pero sa colored paper nga lang. So, I hope this one helps you a lot, mga momshies. Buy zone ng printer, affordable printer for our kiddos. Sa mga momshies, just comment down below kung saan ko siya nabili. Actually, it's just Lazada or Shopee. For only 3,900, meron na kayong wireless 3-in-1 printer. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, ka-arteproblems, and click the red bell button for more video updates. Thank you!